Come along with me for work today.
You actually want me to sign your car?
Yeah.
Crazy. Absolutely nuts.
Hello everyone, so it's about 9 a.m. now. I am still in the hotel, as you guys can see. I'm about to leave for FuelFest. Come along with me for work today. Here is the fit of the day. We got the FuelFest tee, of course, some jeans and dunks.
I hope my driving and everything wasn't too bad.
No, it was fine. Thank you so much. I know it was confusing, so.
You're dropping her off for this?
Yeah, I'm working with them. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Thank you. As we made it at the entrance, it was so freaking confusing to get in here, but I made it. So I have no idea where I'm supposed to be going. There's like, it looks like a farm and stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out together, cause yeah. Guys, so walking into the show, this looks like it's the entrance. We have the stage back there where I am walking to right now. Right now I'm just going backstage to get my credentials out of the RV. And then after that, I'm gonna go walk around and get some content for the FuelFest TikTok. Going in. All right, just got my credentials. So we're gonna put this on and then I am going to get some content for TikTok. All right guys, so this is what the full backstage area looks like. We have obviously the RVs, and then we have all of the snacks and food for everyone, and then of course the stage. I'm gonna eat a cutie before I don't eat anything today and I die, so. We log in for the day. All right. Let's go get some content. All right guys, so doing a little walk around.
13 years old, she built this motor.
Oh, she did? Wait, no, she did not. Your daughter?
My daughter, yeah, I'm an engineer in the Air Force. I graduated in the Air Force and I teach my daughter how to build engines.
Oh, no way, that is so sick. Like what, you guys? What? All right, so now we're walking into the pit area basically for all of the drift cars.
Chris Jackson with US Drift Circuit partnered with FuelFest about 2 years ago.
As you guys can see, I'm just getting content and this is what I do for work. All right guys, so I just found this sick E36. Let's take a look at it. This is literally like ideal spec of what I want mine to look like. This thing looks so good. This car is actually so clean. All right, so I got some pretty good footage this morning, so I'm gonna go back stage, edit some videos, and do some posts. I still haven't eaten yet today, and it is already 12 p.m., so I'm finally ordering a coffee right now. I had a cutie, backstage, and a granola bar, so. Hi, are you guys open?
I am now.
Perfect. Can you just do like an iced vanilla latte?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. All right, let's go backstage and drink some coffee and edit some videos. Thank you, nice to see you.
Are you filming right now?
I am filming. Of course, you guys, I got coffee right when sandwiches came. All right. One thing about the FuelFest team is they always make sure that there's food here and that we are fed, and so that's really nice. And waters and everything, because it is getting hot. All right, I'm gonna finish my lunch and then I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so it is 12:30 and I'm already sweating, not even gonna lie. Oh, my mic's not on. 12:30 and it's already really hot. I'm already sweating. It's very humid. It's as hot as Arizona, so I'm used to it, but here's the first look on stage. All right, would you mind?
Yes.
What did you need?
I said, can we get a picture together?
Oh yeah, of course, let's do it.
Cool, I'll post it to my story right now.
All right, so basically I'm gonna do like a TikTok trend video.
Okay.
And you just, okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it and then I'm gonna give you my phone, all right? So
Okay,
you're just
well,
gonna go
I'll
like
be
this.
dancing.
You're gonna show your surroundings with yourself in it.
Okay.
Put the phone down, and then step on it. Don't
Okay.
step on the phone, but like cover the camera with
don't
your
step
foot,
on my
okay? All right. I love how he throws it.
I'm not supposed to throw it down.
It's okay. It's I mean, you're not supposed to throw it, but break my phone. I'm gonna put my camera up right here. This down. So you actually want me to sign your car? Are you positive?
It's a wrap.
It's a little dirty. I feel like I should, right here or down here? Right here. Signing a car, you guys. What an honor. Oh boy, this makes me nervous. All right, guys, so now I'm in the XCOM VIP lounge. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit in here. Photo op opportunity with Cody Walker for those that purchase the VIP. There's food, there's games, and yeah, so I'm gonna hang out in here for a little bit and edit some videos, and then I will see you guys later.
DJ, hold on for a second. Good to see you, man. This is Tampa, Florida.
Have you ever tried to do your homework?
So now what you're basically saying us doing is I'm gonna hop on the golf cart and we're actually gonna go say hi to all the sponsors. Point of view, this is what it's like being with Cody Walker. You get absolutely routed.
I love you. Thank you very much.
Sorry, we have to go. We're not leaving. We'll be here all day. 303. He'll meet you there.
We're just going to a sponsor.
Please make a hole. We'll be here all day.
Oh, this is crazy.
We'll be here all day.
Absolutely nuts. In a second.
303. He'll be there.
Like everything together for the last minute. That would have been cool. I didn't got the cards in, I think, yesterday.
It's so crazy.
Everybody having a good time? You guys having fun? We're trying to keep it safe and keep it fun.
Well, nice to meet you.
I love your BMW too.
Oh, thank you. Crazy, so hectic. All right, so now you guys, what's going on is Cody is going over to some movie cars and talking to the owner of the cars, which is always really cool to see.
If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they call your friends, baby, never mind, never mind.
I met this man earlier and he told me how his 13-year-old daughter built this engine, and now Cody is coming over to say hi. So
Call him
excited. Awesome. That is so cool. All right, guys, so I just got to the VIP area. This is where Cody and everyone is coming right now to do a photo op. So I just got here early so that I could get a little break from the people, but they're about to walk in right now. I'm walking around with one of the artists right now of the show. All right, so now I'm gonna go take a little break and charge my camera because it's gonna die until 5 o'clock, and then I have to meet back up with the media team backstage. Round two. I'm not like familiar with like how you do all of that. I have no idea about anything. He's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's cute. That's the move, honestly.
All
Alright, so I know I didn't update you guys, but now we are at the Shelby American booth, visiting one of the sponsors, and Cody is signing right now. Oh.
Somebody could. Yeah. That's to be the biggest troll of all time.
Alright everyone, I'm taking a little break and then I'm gonna go back out and then I have to meet them back here before 6:45 to go on stage. Right now, usually on my breaks I just make the TikTok, so I'm gonna make the TikTok and then post it to the FuelFest page. Alright, so basically you guys, I've been going around trying to find people that will be in this little trend for TikTok that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go over to the Marines right now and see if they'd be down to be in the TikTok video. So I asked the Marines, and apparently the Marines aren't allowed to be on TikTok or something. They have something against TikTok, I don't know. So they couldn't be in the video. I just made my way back because we have to head over to another sponsor. We have to go to Celsius and then come back and then go on stage.
I was in the car yelling in the rain.
It is about the end of the show. It is like 7 o'clock. They're gonna go on stage one last time and then that's a wrap.
Last one, do the back bend, let's go. Family, 1, 2, 3.
Guys, that is the end of the show, and now I'm literally waiting for a ride back to the hotel in the middle of like nowhere. There's no one over here, so yeah, kind of a little sketchy, but that's it. All right, you guys, so that is a wrap. I officially just made it back to the hotel. It was such a fun day. Met so many amazing people. It is always the best. But that is that. And this is the end of today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you for the next one.